I gotta get my glasses on. I don't know if I'm seeing this right. My God. This says, hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from our title, I'm so excited. We got our IPSY Plus. This is for September 2020. This is the first subscription that I got all month. I haven't got my BOXYCHARMs, my other IPSYs. So this wasn't supposed to come till tomorrow. So I was so excited to get this. This is a $25 a month subscription. So if you want to see what I got inside and was it better than last month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so if you don't know, IPSY has 3 different subscriptions. They have the regular GLAM bag, which is $12 a month. Now, I do usually do a IPSY versus IPSY, so whenever that comes, I will be uploading that. They have the upgrade, which is the IPSY Plus. It used to come in a box, now it comes in a bag. That is $25 a month. And then we have the big boy, the IPSY Ultimate, and I have no idea where that is at. And that is $50 a month. So this is the middle subscription, which is $25 a month, and they're doing something different. They started last month. So you get to pick 3 items, and then IPSY will pick 2. So with this subscription, you get 5 full-size items. I do have my phone, and I have on my IPSY app because they don't put prices or anything like that anymore. So I do have that. So let's get opening the IPSY bag and see what we got this month. All right. Oh my God, that scared me for a second. See how the thing is coming out? Thought it was a bug at first. All right. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so one thing that I'm noticing, I thought last month was the first month that started coming in a bag, and it was in like a pink regular IPSY, like not regular, but a pink bag that said IPSY, a drawstring, and I thought that's what it was going to be like every month. So I'm surmising that they will change it up every month. I don't know if you can even see it through this background, and so that's definitely exciting. All right. Let's see what the card is and see what the theme for this month is. Okay, so for the September, the theme is good vibes. And yes, it does not have any prices or anything. All right, so let's pull out the first thing that I see. And here we have a smushed up box. This is what they picked for me. This is by Stick, and this is a contour cheek stick. Stick. And I've got these before, so I was going to put this in a future giveaway, but I don't know. Maybe I'll fix the box up, like I'll tape it up. All right, so let's read up about that and see how much that is. All right, so this is a Color Plus Contour Bronzer Stick and in the shade Brazilian Bronze. And this retails for $28. Stick is expensive, so I'm not surprised with the price. All right, the next thing, I picked this out. This is from Yenza. This is a Color and Face Silk Bronzing Base. So this is a bronzer and a brush duo. I'm not sure exactly what it is, so let's open her up and see. All right, so this is the first thing I see when you pull it out. So this looks like some kind of powder or cream. And then you get the little brush. So I'm kind of scared to see how much it is because Yenza is another expensive brand. I got to get my glasses on. I don't know if I'm seeing this right. My God. Are you ready for this? Oh, these are dirty. This says it's full size, of course, and it is $50. Well, that pays for the whole box, but $50? Let's see what you be. What you be? Does it have like a shade? Let me see if there's a shade name. It just says Silk Bronzing Base and Brush. So, I don't know if this is like a one size fits all. Listen to me. Like a one shade, which we all know that doesn't work. All right, so this is a cream. So, that's why they say the base, you would put the cream on first, and then you go over it with the powder. So, you know what's weird? And that actually will be my shade. I wish it was just a little bit darker because once you blend that out, like let me show you, it's hardly nothing there. So let's put a little bit more on. Like let's really go in and see. So I put a little more on. All right. I mean, that's okay. That's good for a base, and then you would go in with a powder on top. Let's do this brush and see how it is. I'll put a little bit on this brush. Now, I do already have some on there from my finger, but the brush definitely, can you see? It does pick up a little bit more, and it does blend it, of course, better. But I would think your finger would blend better since it's warm. I don't know. I'm thinking too much of this. $50, wow. I'll definitely use it. It's a really good color. The only thing I'm surprised, so they chose this, which this is a bronzer or like a contour stick. So why would they give me another choice for the same thing? I know it's a different brand, but it's like a bronze contour. Do you know what I mean? Like, so I got two of the same thing. And I didn't realize that when I should have realized that because they show you the two items they pick for you. I don't know. Anyway, let's just continue. I'm thinking too much on that. All right, the next thing we got is from Gold Faden MD. What is this? This is a facial mist. Ooh. Is this full size? I mean, you're supposed to get all full size, but it looks very small. Let's see how much you be. Okay, let me read you what this is first. This is a Mist RX Daily Nutrient Facial Mist. It says, why you'll love it. Like a spray-on multivitamin for your face, this ultra-fine mist re-energizes and revitalizes dull, tired skin in a few quick spritzes. This right here, and it is full size, $48. Holy cow. But I guess it's more than, see, at first I thought it was just like a water, like a mist, but it's not. But my God. Okay. So $48. And this is the other one that they chose for me. So these are the two that they chose. All right, so the rest is what I picked. This, I was so excited. I love this. So this is from Dr. Brandt, and this is an exfoliator. Now, I love the black one because the black one is a little bit more rougher. And I like things more rougher. And, but this is good too. I just love exfoliators. And I know this is a pretty penny too. I knew this was expensive, so I am not surprised. $58. So 60 bucks. I don't know if like this is worth $60. Like, it's really good. I've tried this over and over again. I would not pay $60 for this. Well, $58, but I am so glad it's in a subscription box. Like, I will get this every time. If there's an add-on that's cheap, I will definitely get this. I really like it. This is a really good bag this month. Okay, and last but not least, of course, I picked this out, and I was excited about this. So this is from ColourPop. This is the Bretman Rock collection. Now, I brought this out to show you. So Bretman Rock did this collection with ColourPop. They did the wet collection, and this is what this is. So they did an eyeshadow palette, and then he did a lit one. It's called Lit, and this is what I have on my eyes today, except for my shimmer shade, which I'm going to do a haul video, and I'll tell you about that. But I'll give you a hint. This is the JD Glow Cosmetics, which I love. So let me just show you what the Lit looks like. So this is more like it's a warm tone, but you know, it's more wearable. And then I've never used this, but let me show you. So here is the wet collection, and it is all like, this is like blue. So I was really excited to see that, and that's why I chose that, because I was like, all right, that's pretty cool. So this is a lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss all in one, which I'm excited for. So this is what we have. So we have the lip liner, which I'll swatch. We have the lip gloss. That's why it has like a bluish tint to go with the eyeshadow palette. And then we have the, lipstick. So let me see how much this is. So that's not bad. ColourPop is pretty reasonable anyway. $16 for all three. I don't know if you can get this anymore, but, so let's do some swatches. All right, here is the lip liner. And I love these colors. Okay, so let me put it right here since I have that bronzer on. So we have that, and you guys know that I love these lip liner colors. I like it darker, like the 90s style, and then I go in with like a lighter lipstick. And that's exactly what this is for. So, does this have a shade? I can't even read it. All right, so regular doe foot applicator. Ooh, that's pretty. That will look so nice blended in with that lip liner. And then if you're like me and love lip gloss, like I wear lip gloss every day. So this is the Ultra Glossy Lip. And let's see. So this is like a brush. And I don't know if you can see, like there's hairs sticking everywhere, but I don't care about that. You do another little swatch. Okay, there we go. So really, it just has a little light blue tint, but not really. When you put it on your lips, you're not going to be able to tell. So don't let this scare you. Oh, I'm so excited. This is probably one of my favorite IPSY Pluses of all year. All right, so let's recap what we got. We got for 3 lipsticks, you know, lip products, we have this. We have the Dr. Brandt exfoliator. Oh my God, this is probably one of my favorite things that I'm most excited for. I'm happy to get this, but $48, no ma'am, but I'm glad it's in a subscription box because you're only paying $25. We have this Yenza like base, that's because it's a cream product. You go in with the cream first and then over with the powder. And then we have this. This I'm not too happy of getting because I got these a few times, but you guys know I like to give back, so I'll put this in a future giveaway. And that's everything. I will put the total value right around here, and you definitely get your $25 worth. I mean, guys, I am so excited this month. I really, really am. So that's everything, guys. Let me know if you got your IPSY Plus. If you did, what did you get? What did you pick for your choice items? Let me know what you think of this month, what I got. I really loved it. And that's everything, guys. If you like this video, please consider giving me a like. It truly does help me out. It only takes a second, and the more likes that I get, it does help YouTube kind of promote my videos. We are on our way to 50K, and I cannot wait because that's when we'll have the biggest giveaway yet. If you like subscription boxes, unboxings, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to hit the post notification bell. So make sure you double tap where the bell is and make sure it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. Hopefully my other boxes should be coming. And as soon as they come, I'll definitely make those videos and get them up right away because I'm very excited. And that is everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to let me know how your day's been going. All right, bye. I am so impressed this month. Yes, ma'am.